Welcome everyone to the blind taste bud test by Grace and Eric, yours truly.
Hello.
Eric's very excited about this because it involves eating.
Thank you.
So basically we just chose a bunch of little nibbles and flavors around the house for each other to try blindfolded. And we just had to make it into a little friendly competition.
That's right.
So,
what are the stakes?
What are the stakes, Eric? What do you want from me if you win?
I've decided that I want you to walk on my back for like 10 minutes because it's in shambles.
Is that normal?
Yes.
Walking on your back?
Yes, I think it's normal.
How about just like
your hands aren't strong enough to.
He's weird.
So walk on the back. What about you?
I'm thinking no heaps for a week. So no laundry heaps. He loves to keep his laundry everywhere.
Gosh.
It gets a little crazy. You walk in the bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, heaps.
Kitchen?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Let's start this thing.
All right, let's go.
Close your eyes.
Is it playing? Do you like my mask? Mask turned blindfold.
It's game time, Grace. Okay.
Okay, where is
Question.
that?
Question 1. The hint is.
Are you feeding?
I'll feed it to you. What is this vegetable? Open.
Oh God. Oh. That's from last night's chicken.
What is it?
That is butternut squash. And it's nicely seasoned with some allspice and sage. Get excited for this new recipe coming soon.
So, why are you so sure it's butternut squash and not sweet potato?
Because the sweet potato is kind of like green, it was like mealy when we had it. And so I axed it in the final recipe. So it's Daph's sweet potato.
That's sweet potato?
Butternut squash.
Correct. Question 2. Here we go.
Yes, all.
Is this strawberry jelly or raspberry jelly?
I can't deal with your voice.
Open.
MC voice.
Open.
Open? I just made the weirdest sucking noise. That is 100% raspberry.
Why?
You better make these more difficult. It's got the nice seeds in it. And raspberry is almost a little bit more, to me, like tangy and sour as opposed to like cloyingly sweet.
All right. You
Come
got
on.
it. You got it. Number 3. Okay. Here we go.
Why are you laughing?
I'm going to give you no hints on this, okay? I'm
Like,
going to
you need
drop.
water.
No, nothing.
I got raspberry seeds.
I'm going to drop these into your mouth and you're just going to tell me what it is, okay?
Okay.
Stick your tongue out. Or no, do that. What you just did.
Why is it making such a weird noise in my mouth? Ooh. It's definitely some type of dried fruit. Because it tastes very fruity and it's like a little dried up pebble.
Okay. There's like 5 seconds on the
I
clock.
feel like I know this just because I ate this trail mix the other day. And you definitely picked out the little apple pieces.
Oh.
Got you. Where are you? Oh,
So what is
baby.
it? What is it? What is it?
Apple pieces.
Fresh or dry?
Dry.
Correct. Dang. Number 4. Now, this is getting more difficult. You need to name
Why laughing.
You need to name all of the spices in this spice blend.
All of them?
Every single one. You can smell it.
Oh my god, I think I used this today.
What are you talking about?
I think I used this spice blend today.
And you can taste it. Put your finger there.
I gotta put some
Go ahead.
liquid. My spit. Okay.
You have to name every single spice.
Am I getting it?
No. There you go. Alright, go ahead.
Okay. This is the pumpkin spice blend,
I don't know.
I think. It has cinnamon, allspice, cloves, and nutmeg.
Say that again.
Cinnamon, allspice, cloves, and nutmeg.
I need to check. Is that your final answer?
Well, you're making me nervous, but I'll say yes.
No! You missed ginger.
Oh, did I say the other one?
No, it's cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg.
So no allspice.
No allspice, and you missed ginger. All right, that's 3
Do I get like a half of
out
a
of
point
5.
or something?
No, nothing. Last one. She's gonna love this one. Final question. Is this white balsamic vinegar or white wine vinegar?
Ooh. I bet you I'm gonna get this right.
I will spoon it into your mouth. Oh, jeez. It's all over your dress.
Oh my god. And on my wrist. Lick it. Ooh, this is more difficult than I thought. Can I have another?
Sure.
Ooh. Okay. This is actually really, really difficult. I feel like it's not as intense as I thought, so it makes me think that it's white balsamic. But I also feel like it tasted like white wine. So
Well, interesting. I mean, balsamic are grapes, right?
Right.
Interesting.
But it
Which
didn't
one do you
taste like
think it
balsamic.
is?
I'm gonna say it's white balsamic because it was so mild and tender on the palate.
You got it. 4 out of 5. Nice job.
Why are you saying nice job when it's your turn?
Because I'll get a 5 out of 5. Easy.
All right, open up, sweet cheeks. It's time to put
Is there a
food
question?
in your mouth. Yes. The first question is, what vegetable is this? Your favorite. Eric loves his veggies. I'll make sure to give you an extra
Can I smell
bite.
it first?
Yes. Can you see out of that mask?
No, I swear I can't see. I swear I can't.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I can smell it. So.
My face.
It tastes like it feels like I'm eating a brain.
That's how he describes every veggie.
It's corn.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, I didn't like that. I mean, it tastes good, but it has a weird texture.
Are you ready for the next?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. What fresh herb is this? Herb.
Herbie.
Okay, let's see.
Can I smell it first?
Yeah. You just put your mouth.
Wow, this is very potent. Okay.
You want another sniff?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ready? It's coming at you. Make sure to chew.
Oh my gosh!
Would you like some more?
No,
like
no, no.
medicine.
Oh my gosh.
Nice
It's
and
too much.
fresh.
Fresh time.
Yes.
Yes!
Only 3 left. Okay. Here we go.
You're walking on my back. This is for real. You really are. We're not just doing this for
Oh,
you're really
well,
doing
you gotta beat 4 out of 5. Okay, here we go.
it. Wow, that was fragrant. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
What baking ingredient is this?
What? Can I smell it?
This is lots of coughing. Okay, here we go.
Oh my god. You just gave me sand.
This is amazing. I love you.
That's brown sugar. Love you too. That's brown sugar. But do I need to specify light or dark?
Yes. Be more specific, please.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I need another one.
We're. It's pretty obvious that it's sugar. So you gotta get deeper. It was such a dainty little bite. Usually you take such large bites.
Light brown sugar.
Unfortunately, that is incorrect.
Ah, what is it? What is it?
Brown sugar. I mean, dark brown sugar.
Oh my god. That is unfair.
Is it?
Whatever.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
What vinegar is
Ooh.
this?
I love vinegar.
Okay, here we go. Another cough. What does it taste like?
Can I have it again?
Yes.
Okay.
I think you just secretly want the
That's
vinegar.
not balsamic.
Shall I give you a hint?
If you want to.
Or am I being too nice if I can?
I know what I'm between two, okay? This is either sherry vinegar, sherry wine vinegar, or champagne. Is that right? Champagne vinegar.
So what if I give you a hint and say that it is a light vinegar? Light in color.
Can I have one more time?
Yes. He's stumped.
It's a champagne wine vinegar. Final answer.
It is
White wine?
rice.
Oh!
Wine vinegar. You love your Asian foods. Okay, you have one thing to redeem yourself. 2,
We need to put a tiebreaker around.
bring back the brown sugar answer and maybe count it.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Please name 3 of the 9 spices in this blend.
Oh my gosh.
Open up, sister.
Oh.
If you want more, it's on the thing.
Whoa.
Do you like it?
What is it?
Your lips are coated.
Salt.
I gotta look.
Does that count?
Yes, it does.
Hmm.
Ding, 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 ding.
Cayenne pepper. And wait, do you tell me if it's right or I just gotta? Wait, where? Can I have some more? Where is it? Where's that thing?
You just blew it everywhere. It's coming to him.
Whoa.
He's having an experience.
Salt. Black pepper. I'm like chewing on black peppercorns here. Which is so easy. Salt and pepper.
Ding, 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 ding.
And then Was this right?
Yes.
All right. I'm taking a shot. Third and final ingredient out of 9.
Yes.
I'm between cayenne pepper and onion powder. I'm gonna go with cayenne pepper.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're disqualified. Your back shall not be stepped on.
What is in it?
It is salt, paprika, brown sugar, pepper, mustard, thyme, cumin, crushed red pepper, and sage.
I lose.
Cheers
Wow.
to that, folks. I will be receiving no heaps all week.
That's good.
Now I
though.
gotta try it. Until next time. Do you wanna kiss my lips full of spice? What's gonna make me choke?